This is Pankaj Chandsna, Assistant Professor, CMEC Group of Institution, Patna. Today, in this video, I am discuss about what is register. A register is a fundamental positive electrical component found in a near every electronics and electrical circuit. Its main purpose is to create a resistance to the flow of electrical current, allowing design to control, limit, or divide the electrical current and the voltage in the circuit. The resistance is measured in the ohms. 1 ohms is defined as the resistance that allows to the 1 ampere of a current to flow with a voltage drop on 1 volt across the terminal. The relationship between defined by the Ohm's that law called the Ohm's law. The relationship between voltage, current and resistance is expressed by the Ohm's law. V equal to IR, where R is the resistance value, V is the voltage and I is the current. Now we can pursue next, that is registration and their definition. A resistance is a two-terminal device that resist or limit the flow of electron regulating current in the circuit. Resistance that help to achieve the critical tasks such as current limitation, voltage divisions, and energy distribution as an heat, and starting circuit gain and the time constant. Their size and resistive value is a very widely for a very small chip is an integrated circuit to the large device such as industrial power application. In there are the various type of resistance using in the market. Some there are the resistance and its type. Resistors can be classified on the basis of their functions and the material using in their construction. Now, understanding the type of importance for selecting the right component in a given application. There are basically three basic type of resistance registers which can be used in our basic electronics. First, that is called the fixed registers. Second, that is called the variable registers. And third, special function registers. Now, first, fixed registers. Fixed registers can be defined. Their resistive value is set by the manufacturer during the manufacturing process. Their example is carbon component register or film register. Second, variable register. Variable register basically that is called adjustable resistance. Their example is potentiometers and reverse states. Some special function registers, resistance value which can physically quantitative that is called. Their example is thermistor which can be control the temperature, and second that is photoresistor that controlled by the photon energy that is called light energy. Now next to pursue that the common material based on the resistance type including carbon film, metal film and metal oxide. That is we can say that wire bonds and foil, foil resistance. The construction important, their position, tolerance, temperature, behaviors, and their cost. Resistance characteristic, resistance parameters of a resistors including the resistance value that is ohms, manufacturing that is called tolerance, and the percentage of values. The stabilities, temperature coefficient, power rating indicator, and the maximum power registers can be satisfied. Now, position of the application need the low noise and stable resistance across the temperature changing. There are the various other factors which can be included in the resistance, and registers can be classified. Now, their resistance value can be calculated. There is the method called the color code of register. In next video, we can also discuss about what is the color code of register, how to find the resistance value through that particular color code. Thank you.